Now let's first talk about why you want to sell digital products on Amazon. There are tons of reasons that you want to sell digital products on Amazon. First of all, digital products are the world's perfect products because you don't have to ship a thing. You don't have to source the products, and you don't have to invest in inventory. In fact, digital products carry pretty much a 99% profit margin because once you create the digital product, you can sell it and receive 100% of the money for that product. With physical products, there's always a cost of goods, and you always have to invest money into merchandise in order to make a profit out of that merchandise. Next, Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce sites in the world with over 244 million regular users and 66 million Prime members. So you're tapping into one of the biggest sources of traffic in the world. And it's not just traffic, this is buying traffic. These are people who are there with credit card in hand or credit card already logged into Amazon, ready to spend money. A product listing on Amazon by itself can generate thousands of dollars a month in sales. This is true whether you're private labeling a physical product, whether you're selling a t-shirt on Amazon, or whether you're selling a digital product on Amazon like we're going to do. Creating a digital product is far easier than private labeling, manufacturing, and shipping a physical product. Now, in recent times, there's been a lot of talk about private labeling your own product on Amazon and all the profits that come with that. But along the same lines, there is a tremendous amount of risk involved in that as well. This eliminates all that risk, allows you to sell the easiest product in the world to sell, that is, a digital product, and allows you to keep all the profit from that digital product because there is zero cost of goods in that product. And until now, until this course, no one has revealed how to sell digital products on Amazon. You're the very first to hear about this in this course, so you should consider yourself very fortunate that you're here now and ready to take advantage of this opportunity.